व्यवसाय आत्मिका बुद्धिरेके कुरुनंदन बहुशाखा ह्यानंदाश्च बुद्धयो अव्यवसायिनाम. Hello friends, this is the 41st shlok of the second chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and in today's video we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first go over its meaning. So the slok says Vyavasaya Atmika, which means the effort of knowing oneself. Buddhireke Kurunandana, which means belongs to the one with one wisdom, O Kurunandan, or one intellect, Kurunandan. Bahushaka Hyanandascha, which means but in many branches and infinite, Buddhayo Avyavasainam, which means engage their intellect ones who do not make an effort. So over here, Sri Krishna is telling Arjun that the ones who are very focused and who make an effort to understand the self, they are one minded. So their intellect is focused on just that. While the ones who do not make any effort, their intellect is engaged into many different branches and therefore they get confused. So the idea over here is again something which is very common in the Indian tradition, and what we are told is that in your life, when you are trying to live it dharmically, then in that situation you have to make in a lot of effort. If you are not making an effort and if you are just living a mechanical life, then that is in itself going to turn into an adharmic life. It is going to turn into a non-dharmic life basically. And this happens because living a dharmic life needs a lot of discipline. It needs one pointed, sharp focus towards basically attaining a higher level of consciousness so that you can increase your stature as such. So, your behavior should be very disciplined if you want to live a dharmic life. You should be very choosy in terms of what you are going to do, what you are going to put your focus on in terms of your intellect. While if you are lazy and you are not paying attention to where you're putting your attention or where your priorities are going, then you will get confused in this whole universe, because this universe is going to present so many different things to you. You will get attracted to all those things, and as you'll get attracted to all those things, your focus will get distracted and you will start falling down into the path of materialism or the path of hedonism. Because when you are living in this world, the natural tendencies that Mother Nature has placed inside us, and these natural tendencies have come because of our many past lives over which we have lived our life. So these natural tendencies that we have cultivated inside us, they take us down the path of materialism, and basically when we fall in for our instincts, then the things that become more important to us are our own material pleasures. So we look for wealth, we look for fame, we look for power, we look for sex. So we look for all these things, and when we are distracted in this way, our intellect actually wanders around and it goes around different things, trying to consume everything that this world presents towards us. But if you realize the folly of all this thing, if you realize that there is nothing really permanent or nothing really substantial in these things, then you have to you decide to go towards the dharmic way of life. And living this dharmic way of life is going to be very difficult in the beginning. It takes a lot of effort for you to really isolate your mind from all these different distractions that this world throws at you, and put it one pointedly towards just one direction, which is to understand the self. So that is what Sri Krishna is telling over here to Arjun, that it will take a lot of effort if you want to understand your own self, and you need one pointed focus towards that. Only then can you really understand yourself. So you have to sacrifice all the other attractions that this world throws at you. And if you are not disciplined, then all these things that this world throws at you, all these nice things which attract you, all the shiny bright things that attract you, will take you away, and you basically will then start descending down. So I hope I have explained this shlok well to you. With that, I'll close this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.